What if I told you that this ordinary paper towel could keep mosquitoes and flies out of your home for hours using ingredients you already have in your kitchen right now? No candles, no plug-in repellents, no chemicals, just three ingredients, and one surprising trick that most people have never seen before. Stay with me, because step 3 is going to genuinely shock you. Here's everything you need, and I promise this is already in your home. Ground cinnamon, 2 bay leaves, a small dab of toothpaste, 1 sheet of paper towel, and a glass jar. That's it. 5 things. Let's get into it. Step 1. Lay your paper towel flat on a clean surface. Take 1 full spoonful of ground cinnamon and sprinkle it right in the center. Don't be shy with it. Cinnamon is your primary repellent here. Its strong natural oils are what insects genuinely hate. Step 2. Bay leaves. Just 2 is all you need. Break or cut them into small pieces and scatter them evenly over the cinnamon. Bay leaves have been used for centuries to keep insects away from food and homes. This isn't new science. It's old wisdom. Now, fold the paper towel over your ingredients. One side in, then the other. Like you're wrapping up a little secret. Tuck both ends in tightly, sealing everything inside. You should have a neat, compact little bundle. Everything locked in. The scent is already starting to come through. Can you smell that? That warm, spiced aroma is exactly what's going to do the work for us. Now, step 3, and I warned you, this one surprises people every time. Toothpaste. I know. Bear with me. Take a small dab, just a small one, and spread it across the top of your folded bundle. The menthol compounds in toothpaste act as an additional natural deterrent, and they also help the bundle smolder slowly and evenly when lit. Drop a comment below. Did you see that coming? Because nobody ever does. Take your glass jar and place the bundle inside, leaving just one small end poking out of the top like a wick. This jar protects the flame and concentrates the smoke upward. Light the tip carefully. You don't need a big flame, just enough to get it smoldering slowly. Within seconds, you'll start to see a gentle thread of aromatic smoke rising. The scent is warm, clean, calming, and to mosquitoes and flies, it's completely unbearable. Place this near an open window, on your patio, or anywhere insects tend to gather, and let it work. It lasts for a good while and leaves your space smelling incredible rather than chemical. If you're going to try this tonight, drop a yes in the comments. I genuinely want to know how it goes for you. And if someone you know is constantly battling mosquitoes this summer, do them a favor and share this video right now. It costs nothing and it actually works. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one on If You See Just One Ant, spray this for instant results.